Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day. Before we get started, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get into today's video. Let's go make breakfast and then we'll get on with today. All right, so we are gonna make some bacon, eggs, and I'm also gonna do some croissants with cheese inside. This is my favorite way to make bacon. I used to do it on the frying pan and it used to take so long. Doing it in the oven, it really helps it all cook evenly and nice and crispy. I absolutely love it. I don't know why I actually grabbed my pizza pan though to make this, but I did. So I am gonna go ahead and open up the croissants. I hate how sticky these are. I should probably put either flour on the cutting board or some oil. And then I cut up some mozzarella cheese and I'm gonna put them inside the croissants. My husband actually loves them like this. You can do this in so many other ways as well. You could put ham, cheese, bacon. I've done it in other ways as well, but I really just prefer sometimes just cheese, nice and simple. And today I'm making some very, very boring scrambled eggs with egg, salt, and pepper, and a little bit of milk. My husband actually really, really is boring with his breakfast, so that is what I did today. Here I am making our coffees. My coffee is the one in the coldest water bottle today because of my tooth. I have to not use a straw for a while, which tear. I love drinking coffee from a straw. And if you saw what I put into my daughter's milk is Benefiber. That is what the doctor recommended for my toddler's tummy, so that is what I did. I only put a little bit, even though they told me to put a whole bunch. I'm like, I can't do that. I just can't. And then here I am putting the butter in the pan for the eggs. I always feel like watching butter melt is so satisfying. Is it just me? All right, and this is the finished product. That was mine. I saved the bacon for my daughter and my husband since there wasn't a lot. So today, well, yesterday we went to Target. Let me just start off with that. Yesterday we went to Target, and we actually went to IKEA with my best friend and her sons and her husband, obviously. And we had so much fun. If you haven't gone to IKEA just for fun, there's something wrong with you. And then the meals are like delicious and they're like so affordable. So we went to IKEA and then we went to like a kind of like a pet store. Hi, Bonnie. What do you eat? Drinking water. And like they had a whole bunch of bunnies and birds and like the kids could touch them and stuff, and the two of them were living their best life. It was the cutest thing ever. My daughter's currently playing right now with my husband hide and seek, so if you hear where are you puppy, it's that. I don't have my mic on right now, so you probably definitely can hear that. My husband, I'll actually show you guys right now what I got at Target. Quick Target haul. So we got some breads. I don't know if my daughter's gonna like this, but she loves vanilla yogurt and she loves Oreos, so I thought why not. These are my daughter's favorite yogurts. My husband likes these for lunch. I've showed you guys this. I just like always having these on the hand, and my daughter actually really likes them as well. When she wasn't drinking enough water, I did a lot. String cheese is one of my daughter's favorites. You guys already know. And I decided to try this out and see how I even like it. I normally just like my non-stick unsalted butter, but we'll see. And this is our favorite sauce ever. If you haven't tried it, try it. Take a screenshot. It's amazing. So this morning, my husband actually did an Aldi run when he went to go get a haircut. Unfortunately, we really want to get the Aldi like the cash register and the little carts and the everything, the little Aldi setup, and we got it too late. My husband couldn't find it at ours that's like right by our house. So now we're gonna be in a hunt looking for that. And yeah, and then let me show you what he picked up from Aldi. It was under $100, so I'm so happy. So this is what we got from Aldi. All right, guys. So surprisingly, this is all under $100, which is a miracle nowadays. So yeah, he got some cuties. My daughter loves these. We've been on like a Monday salad kind of thing. So one bag of these is enough for both of us for dinner. So we got 3 onions, potatoes, these green onion things. I think I'm gonna make fried rice this week. Carrots, bell peppers. I've actually been really liking bell peppers uncooked, which is kind of weird to me, but I'm loving them. Some celery, My daughter loves celery. He got some bagels to give us more options for breakfast. He did get some bacon since he also is off an extra day this week, and then he also got some sausage. Always have to have unsalted butter. He got some cream cheese, some tomatoes. We don't even go through tomatoes like that, but I am gonna start incorporating them more in my sauces. Cilantro. He got some mixed greens, garlic. All right, let's move over this way. Then we got some cinnamon rolls. I actually don't like these, but I think he noticed that I used the last ones yesterday, so he just got these. I'm not a fan of this of the Aldi brand one though. Strawberries are finally in season, guys. Look how beautiful. He got two. He got blueberries. He also got some raspberries, some apples. I already had bought some of these, but he got another one. My daughter loves calabai jack cheese. He got some cheese for his sandwiches. There's some hard salami for his sandwiches and some turkey. I didn't want to get this, but I guess he wanted to try it. I personally can't have corn, so I have to make a separate batter whenever I make this. You guys know my daughter absolutely loves these packs. I put salt and pepper and garlic, and she actually will eat everything in this pack. She loves them. He got some fries and some little teaspoons as well. These are actually not my favorite ones though. I love the little circle ones more, but it works. And some eggs. That is what we picked up. Well, he picked up at Aldi this time around. These are really good and stayed under budget. Yay! All right, and then now I actually have to. I'm actually gonna wait to put the stuff away. I'm gonna put it away later. I have to run to the dentist, and just so they can give me a checkup and see how it's healing and set up the next very expensive visit. I just really want to get it done before August. As you guys know, we have a trip in August, so I really want to have all that done and not have to worry about my teeth. just get it over with. But yeah, go ahead and enjoy me for today. All right, so the dentist appointment went so quick for me, but like took forever for my mom. But anyways, I ended up it's taking long, so I just hurried up and put everything away. I got some chorizo out of the fridge. I'm gonna make chorizo con huevo and some rice for my daughter, and then I'm gonna have chorizo huevo probably with tortillas. Hopefully they're not expired. We'll see right now actually. Yeah, and then I'm going to actually start kind of meal planning to kind of hold myself accountable to make other foods throughout the week, because groceries are so expensive. I need to make sure I'm using what I have and trying not to order out. Trying. Keyword there, trying. I have to actually make banana bread before they go disgusting. So I almost forgot that. I really have to make that today. I cannot hold back anymore. There's so many ways to make chorizo with huevo, but I am doing the most simple because of my toddler. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up some onions. My husband also likes it very, very simple. Cutting up 2 of the chorizos. You only use the inside, of course, so you take out the outside. Again, chorizo is very simple. My mom actually used to make it with beans, which was really delicious as well. But my toddler kind of really hates beans, so we'll get there eventually. And then you go ahead and break it up. I know when I get it at restaurants, they serve it with tortillas, and they also serve it with beans and rice on the side. But again, this is like a very quick dinner for me, so I just hurried up and did it. And there is the eggs that are going inside there. You can see my baby's little steps back there running around with my mom. And then I made tacos. She actually didn't like the chorizo, which is fine. So I also made the rice with quinoa for her on the side and some quesadillas. I forgot I was filming, but here I am soaking all the fruits. And I have to make the banana bread before I forget. So let's do that. All right, so I usually just do 3 bananas for 1 serving, but I am doing 2 servings, and I added basically all the bananas I had, which was 8, which is fine. It just makes the banana bread a little bit sweeter. But I personally like doing the hand blender to really, really blend it. A lot of people like the banana bread chunky. I personally don't, and neither does my husband. So this is just my preferred way of making it. I like it to be like if it was a cake, regular cake batter. I don't like it chunky. You can also add some chocolate chips in there. Just make sure you kind of coat it with flour so it doesn't melt to the bottom of the pan. But my daughter absolutely loves it. My husband loves it. Even my father-in-law, who's the pickiest eater on the planet, loves it. It's literally something that I really do love making, and it's great to not, throw away banana bread. And after 45 minutes to an hour, this is what it looks like. Editing me. Hi. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I completely forgot to film an outro, but here it is. So please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Leave this emoji down below if you watched the whole video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!